Introduction to Approximations Tutorials and Revision Guides. In this set of math tutorials we cover approximations in detail with clear guides, approximations formulas and working examples. This chapter contains 2 tutorials with a total of 12 lessons. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide and supporting approximations calculators. We also provide online approximations calculators, which allow you to calculate specific approximations formula in support of the tutorials, or to check and verify your own calculations in support of your approximations homework, math coursework, or to help you improve your own understanding so it is easier to teach your children approximations. This short chapter is dedicated to rounding as a suitable method for expressing numbers when the exact value is not relevant. The rules for rounding numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc., are explained and illustrated with examples. Another interesting element in this chapter is significant figures, a useful method to write numbers with as many digits as needed. The rules of significant figures, including the exponential form of number, are explained and illustrated with examples. We also explain the concepts of lower and upper bound, determined by intervals and segments, including half intervals and half segments. That is all for introduction to approximations. To start this chapter, please watch 2.1, Introduction to Rounding and Significant Figures. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.